You can do it.
Yeah, I cannot do this.
I'm talking to this lady. She can.
Can Jeddah. Seriously.
What?
You are very fine. You can Jeddah.
Me, I cannot do this. Even giving me $100 for one day.
You're from Filipino, right?
Yeah.
You can do it.
No, he very hot. No, you will die this.
And it's Rex.
You cannot die.
It's a Rex.
What a man can do, man can do.
Nakita ko niyo yung mga tao, ha? What you see?
Man can do in some places.
If someone's giving you $200 per day, you don't work. This one,
Wallah, this is a Rex.
But
you work or not work?
I will walk.
Oh yeah, see, even it's very hard, very worse, but you can do work because of the family, right?
Let money don't make you die.
Yes, that's true.
Hello.
This place.
This guy
It's a Rex.
is from, you're from where?
Gambia.
Gambia?
Gambia, yeah.
Gambia. Why you come this country?
I came this
For better tomorrow?
yeah.
Not for the future?
It is very hot. Very hot.
Not for the future?
Yeah, for so hot.
Kagwapo dyan ni mo.
Very hot.
Really? Are you married already?
Yeah, I'm not yet. I'm not married yet.
In your country?
No.
For what you come here?
Journalist.
But if I go,
Are you a journalist?
if I go back here,
No, I'm not journalist. I am Philippine.
You're from Philippines?
I'm Catholic.
Then you are Catholic?
Yes, I'm Catholic.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah. I'm just getting interview because this guy is so funny.
yeah.
Yeah.
For so.
How old are you, my friend?
28.
28 years old. Did you have a girlfriend here or not?
Not
Not yet?
yet. I spent 2 years here. For
Really? But how long you working here? How many years? How many years you working here? Since
just 3 months. I was in
3 months? Are you so new? 3 months you said? Ah, okay. Other location. I'm here this country, you know. I've been here no, 17 years, 17. 17. When I come this country, I'm very young. Now I'm so old. And you, how many years you working here? 2 months? 4 months is you're so new.
So I'm here 4 months.
Me 17 years.
17 years this country?
Yes.
Oh my God, you are a citizen now.
Citizen, but I have no money earned, you know.
You are no more from Philippines now. You are from America now.
Emirates, no, it's not. Because this country is not same American that you have benefits. Here, no benefits, you know.
Yeah, Guinea pigs?
No benefits.
What's the meaning of Guinea pigs?
Crazy man. You're so funny.
I'm so funny.
You
Yeah.
are in Europe now. You are a citizen now.
Yes, if you are in the Europe, but you are this country is country Muslim
You
is
spend 30 years onward.
yeah.
So long.
It's very hard this country, you know. Even you will stay here like 50 years, there is nothing. So this
When will you be going to
me, I'm going maybe this coming December if the situation is become nice, become clear. I will go vacation.
vacation?
Yeah.
I wanted to take you there so that at least you can go to eat more rice.
You're so funny. Why you are not eating rice?
No,
Rice is life.
I want to eat the one from Filipino because Filipino rice is good. And you know what? I want to also get married from Filipinos because most of
You wanna married?
yes, I want to get married Filipinos
Ah,
ladies. You know,
why?
some of them they believe.
Yes,
Now just look at you. You say you are from Catholic. Huh?
yes.
I love those who are Christians. I
Uh.
want to get married.
But you are a Christian or what?
Yeah, I'm a Christian. You know.
Yes.
Yes, I'm a Christian, so I want to get married to Filipinos, and because most of them they know English well, they can speak.
But not all the Filipino is most knows English because me I don't know too much English because I am not graduate college. I am undergraduate. But you very nice speaking English.
Very nice.
Yeah, you fluent English.
Yes, so that's why I want to get a Filipino lady.
I hope so you get it. But do you have been experienced girlfriend here or not?
No, I don't have any girlfriend.
My voice sound good, cool. He's calling me. So, I hope so you get it. I hope.
Yeah.
I will pray for you.
You pray for me?
Yes.
Oh my God, that's good. Pray for me.
So, bye-bye, yeah, because he's crying. See you tomorrow. See you. Yeah, yes. Thank you. How are you? You're fine, thank you.
Much more. Big boy.
You're so handsome.
Really?
Yeah. You know, I look it's different person. Different here, you know. Where's the other one?
Ah, that guy. Yeah.
That's crazy guy, you know. He's from where? Cameroon, yeah, different. One lady there is Cameroon. I said, how much your salary? She's getting angry when I asking about salary. Oh my gosh, so dangerous. There is a lot of foreigner there. Oh. I hope I can get one foreigner here. Napay usa dito nga foreigner. Nangiso ipertiguang naman good. It's my friend. He's very old, no? This is not standing. I think so. Even you massage, no standing. He's living here?
Boy. Yeah.
Where? He have a wife?
Yeah.
Ah, you see it?
Yeah.
Which Filipino or not?
He's from Belgium.
Ah, Belgium. That's not original.
Yeah, I think the wife only have off only Friday. Only Fridays.
Filipina?
No. His wife.
Ah, oh yeah.
Friday is off.
Kining gibuhat na tong duwa. Chismis na gini. Atay gini kinabuya. Where is the other one?
Eh?
The handsome one. Where is the handsome one? Why you are not talking? It's very nice, the views here.
Bangladesh, English problem.
This, huh? This is not Bangladesh.
This guy Bangladesh.
Air Bangladesh.
Inti Bangladesh. Inti malum kalam Arabic?
Arabi malum.
Ah, okay. Win hada wahad tani hada simsim al-huwa.
Ya.
Simsim al-huwa. Mukan. Malhada Cameroon. Huwa handsome. Yeah, he's handsome. You're handsome, my brother. What's your name? Mustafa. Are you Muslim? Ah, okay. Yeah, Bangladesh pa some Bangladesh no talking English. Yeah?
Bangladesh English problem.
Problem English Bangladesh. Why? Because no study, no? Only Quran. Yes? Yes, aywa. Aywa abaka.
Something Arabi ada malum.
Inti keep inti pi hada inti example. Ida keep ida pi hada customer English idin keep kalam inti. Ida pi question. Kida pi kalam ada English din question to you that where is this? How did you answer? Keep kalam inti. Ida pi foreigner American people asking you where is the bathroom? Huh? My friend, look, this is no understand what I'm talking. Sa? I'm talking if example, there is someone American people asking to a question to him that where is the bathroom. How did he answer? He don't know English.
Ah, last time one Bengali guy. One lady came here. He was asking something.
Then
So that time I was standing there. So he's just like doing like this. Then I came there. That guy also cannot speak English.
Then
I came there telling him this guy don't think English problem. He's not understanding.
then after
Then I came to ask the lady. Then I directed.
he understand. Oh, because I know you speak very well English.
Yeah. You know, our country,
What your course, my friend? What your course? Musapa. What your course? Then you finish school ba? College or what?
yeah, I finish my high school, I go to college.
What?
I do government.
Government? Oh. Because your English is very well.
I do government, you know.
But your language is English? Or different?
No, different language.
Oh, okay. The problem no Bangladesh, look, I asking to hear how is.
There's too much problem. I don't know how they get job. I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know how they
Ang delikado magkasinabot ming duha. Imbis ki maparus parinir mapadong nas itom.
get job. They get job.
Yeah, it's problem no.
Yeah, and here you don't understand English too much. To get job is very difficult. But for them, they
Who?
get job too much. Bengali people.
Oh yes, but I know Bengalis people because they studying only Quran. Not same Philippine. Even Philippine, it's poor family. You growing up from the poor family, but you can speak a little bit English. It's not same in Bangladesh and some. You know some Pakistan also don't know how to English.
Yeah, okay. Pakistan also. Pakistan and Bangladesh.
Problem no?
All the same.
Atay gini.
Pakistan all the same. Yeah.
Atay gini tumay.
Philippines and Nepal, are they the same country?
What?
Philippines, Nepal.
Nepal? No, it's not. Philippine different. Nepal different language. Philippine and India and Bangladesh is same country, but the different color only. Problem no? But yeah, sometime if you asking where is the bathroom, how they answer?
They don't understand. Looking at you.
Atay gini tawan.
Unless someone helps.
Yeah, but you very well English no? Your English is very well, very nice, fluent.
Our country, you know, we are British colonies.
Yes, British. Look that guy. It's nothing to do.
I don't know whether it's not going for it.
What is the other one? That's the one, the Cameroon country. Because I was talking to it.
Liverpool, yeah, is there.
Ah, swimming pool. This very nice view here. Really, it's very nice. It is swimming pool. It is this.